Hey, it's Christina again, back to answer one of your questions. For lace-based systems, the best tape adhesive is basically preference, honestly. It's up to the client how long they want that system to be on their head. If they want, like, say a 1 week hold, 2 weeks max, I would prefer the lace front system, which is our blue tape. It's super fine, super thin, not as shiny as some of our other tape adhesives, which is really good for new time wearers. If they want something a little bit longer wear, I would say like an ultra hold tape. That would probably last anywhere from 3 weeks, possibly 4 weeks. And if they want the longest hold possible, it's usually Extendabond. The only tapes that I don't recommend for lace fronts are obviously ones that don't stick to lace front, which is our Super 1522 or the Super Reds. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.